The grounds at Campbell River City Hall are now covered in blue flags. 12,000 blue flags to remember the men who have died in BC since the opioid emergency was declared in 2016.
Every flag around us represents a man or a boy, someone's son, brother, uncle, father, or friend.
That's about 80% of the over 15,000 people who have died. Ron Kerr is an artist and city councillor who wants more people to realize who the people are who are dying. The art installation is called the Blue Hat Memorial, a hard hat in particular, he says, because the number of people in the trades and blue-collar workforce are overly represented.
12,000 deaths in BC over the last 8 years is a men's health crisis.
According to the Public Health Agency of Canada, since 2016, 3 out of 4 opioid-related deaths were men, and 30 to 50% of those who were employed worked in trades at the time of their death.
When I look at every flag, I see a face, I see a family. I have comforted many parents, many brothers, sisters, on the loss of their loved one.
While men have died in far greater numbers since 2016, the rate for women is increasing, and so far this year they account for roughly 28% of those who have died. And overall, the vast majority of deaths, 82%, occur in a home, not on the streets.
Some of them are experimenting with drugs for their very first time. And, second, third, fourth time, they just got a bad batch and they become a statistic.
The numbers are, you can talk about numbers. I've been talking numbers for a decade or more. But I think until you actually can see it visually, until your mind just doesn't comprehend what we're talking about.
He says harm reduction isn't working and that more focus needs to be on recovery and that there needs to be more resources for men, including long-term recovery facilities.